Looking to upgrade your home security with smart technology? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best smart door locks that offer security, convenience, and futuristic access right at your fingertips. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Teeho TE002 Smart Door Lock. The Teeho TE002 Smart Door Lock offers a modern, secure, and convenient solution for home access control. Designed for easy installation, this smart lock can be set up in just minutes using a screwdriver, no drilling required. It fits standard doors with 2 1/8 holes, making it a practical upgrade for many homes without the need for professional help or complicated tools. One of the standout features of the TE002 is its keyless entry system, which supports access for up to 20 family members. Each user can have their unique access code or fingerprint registered, allowing for personalized and secure entry. This system also supports temporary access codes for guests, providing flexibility without compromising security. Security is further enhanced by the one-time PIN code feature, which generates a single-use code that automatically deletes after entry. This ensures that temporary access cannot be reused or misused, adding an extra layer of protection for your home. The lock's fingerprint recognition technology is fast and reliable, unlocking the door in just 1 second and identifying fingerprints within 0.3 seconds. This biometric system simplifies entry while maintaining high security standards. Additional smart features include an automatic locking mechanism that can be set to lock the door within 10 to 99 seconds after closing. The lock's user-friendly interface and smart functionality make it an excellent choice for modern households seeking a blend of convenience, security, and technology. Overall, the Teeho TE002 Smart Door Lock combines advanced biometric technology with practical design to provide a seamless keyless entry experience, ensuring that home access is both safe and easy for all authorized users. Coming in at number 4, we have the Ulecoce U68 Smart Door Lock. The Ulecoce U68 Smart Door Lock represents a significant advancement in home security and convenience with its versatile 4-in-1 unlocking system. Combining built-in Wi-Fi control, fingerprint recognition, passcode entry, and a mechanical key, it offers multiple options to suit various lifestyles. The fingerprint sensor operates with impressive speed and accuracy, unlocking the door in just 0.3 seconds with a 99.9% success rate, ensuring seamless and secure access without the hassle of carrying keys. Equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity, the U68 allows homeowners to manage their door remotely through a dedicated app. This smart control enables users to lock or unlock the door from anywhere, generate temporary or recurring access codes for visitors, and monitor all entry activity in real time. To conserve battery life, the Wi-Fi activates only when the doorbell is pressed, ensuring long-term reliable operation without frequent charging or battery replacement. Safety is a top priority with this lock, featuring automatic locking that can be customized to engage within 10 to 30 seconds after the door is closed. A convenient one-touch locking mechanism on the interior side provides quick manual control. The lock is ANSI certified and incorporates an advanced anti-tamper system that triggers a temporary lockout after 5 incorrect attempts, effectively deterring unauthorized access. Installation is designed to be straightforward and accessible to all users. The lock can be mounted in minutes using just a screwdriver, with clear instructions included. Compatible with both left and right-handed doors, the Ulecoce U68 is designed for ease of use, making it a practical choice for households seeking enhanced security without complexity. Overall, the Ulecoce U68 Smart Door Lock blends advanced technology with user-friendly features, delivering a secure, flexible, and convenient door locking solution for modern homes. At number 3, the Yamiry YR05 Smart Door Lock. The Yamiry YR05 smart door lock offers a robust and versatile solution for home security, combining advanced materials and modern technology to provide peace of mind. Crafted from high-hardness aluminum, this lock boasts excellent corrosion resistance and durability, ensuring it withstands attempts at external damage and protects your home effectively. Designed with convenience in mind, the Yamiry YR05 is compatible with most American standard doors, making installation straightforward and accessible. With just a screwdriver, users can set up the lock quickly without needing professional help. Complementing its physical ease of use is a user-friendly app that allows simple programming and management, turning your traditional door into a smart entryway. Connectivity is a key feature of the Yamiry YR05. Through Bluetooth, the lock can store up to 50 passwords, fingerprints, and key fobs, allowing multiple users to have secure access without the hassle of physical keys. For even greater control, the lock supports a Wi-Fi gateway option, enabling users to manage access remotely from anywhere in the world via their smartphone. Unlocking the door is flexible and adaptable to different preferences or situations. The lock supports 5 different methods through the app, password entry, key fob, fingerprint recognition, and a traditional mechanical key. Locking options are also varied, with 3 available methods: automatic locking for added safety, locking via the app, or a simple long press of a button on the device. Overall, the Yamiry YR05 smart door lock seamlessly integrates strength, smart technology, and ease of use, making it a practical choice for modern homes looking to enhance security while embracing smart living. In the second spot, we have the TP-Link Tapo smart door lock. The TP-Link Tapo smart door lock offers a modern approach to home security with its versatile access options and advanced technology. Designed to provide convenience and safety, this smart lock supports 6 distinct methods for unlocking your door. Users can choose to gain entry using fingerprint recognition, custom passcodes entered via the keypad, close-range Bluetooth connection, remote management through Wi-Fi, integration with popular smart home assistants, or traditional backup keys included with the device. One of the standout features is its rapid fingerprint recognition system, which can identify and unlock the door in just 0.42 seconds. This is made possible by a highly sensitive and accurate fingerprint sensor that supports storing up to 100 unique fingerprints. Such capability allows multiple household members or trusted individuals to access the property effortlessly. The smart lock is powered by a robust, removable, and rechargeable 10,000 mAh battery, offering up to a year of continuous operation on a single charge. To simplify recharging, the lock comes equipped with a USB-C port, making it compatible with widely available charging cables and ensuring power is restored quickly and efficiently when needed. In addition to personal access management, the TP-Link Tapo lock lets users control who can enter the home by creating resident profiles with permanent codes. Temporary or scheduled access codes can also be generated for guests, providing flexible security options for visitors or service personnel. This management is streamlined through an intuitive app that allows remote control and monitoring, giving homeowners peace of mind whether they are at home or away. By combining multiple access technologies with long battery life and smart management features, the TP-Link Tapo smart door lock delivers a reliable and user-friendly solution for modern home security needs. And finally, at number 1, we have the Sifely smart door lock. The Sifely smart door lock offers an innovative and versatile solution tailored for homeowners, rental hosts, self-housing residents, and property managers. Designed with convenience and security in mind, it is especially beneficial for short-term rental hosts who need to generate and share passcodes remotely without relying on an internet connection. This feature simplifies guest access management and enhances flexibility. At the heart of the smart lock is the advanced 3D fingerprint technology, a third-generation system that unlocks the door in less than 0.3 seconds. This rapid response combines convenience with top-tier security. The lock supports 6 different keyless entry methods, including fingerprint recognition, passcodes, wireless key fobs, cards, smartphones, and traditional keys. This multimodal access approach caters to a wide variety of user preferences and situations, making it adaptable to different lifestyles. Installation of the Sifely smart door lock is straightforward and user-friendly. It requires only a Phillips screwdriver and no additional drilling or professional locksmith services, making it accessible for most users. The door handle is reversible, supporting both left and right-handed doors, adding to the lock's flexibility. Powering the lock are 4 AA batteries that provide up to 1 year of battery life, reducing maintenance and ensuring consistent operation. For users seeking enhanced connectivity, the smart lock can be paired with the optional Sifely Wi-Fi gateway. This add-on enables remote locking and unlocking from anywhere at any time. Users can also create and manage passcodes remotely and monitor real-time access logs, providing an extra layer of security and control. The lock's management system is designed for ease and efficiency. Through a dedicated smart app and web portal, users can seamlessly control all locks associated with their account. The use of a single login credential simplifies the management process, making it convenient for multiple property or door setups.